Experiencing a camera calibration stuck error in your Tesla Model 3 means the Autopilot system's cameras aren't properly aligned. This prevents features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking from functioning. This error commonly appears after minor accidents, suspension work, or even software glitches. We'll guide you through diagnosing and resolving this issue, starting with understanding the causes. Before attempting a recalibration, determine if the issue is software-related or due to physical damage. Check for any visible damage to the camera housings located around the vehicle. If there's no damage, proceed with software-based solutions. If you notice cracks or loose mounts, professional service is likely required. Tesla's AI diagnostics, available via the app, can also help identify the root cause. Tesla's latest software updates, version 12.3.4 or later, allow remote recalibration through the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen. First, ensure your car is parked on a flat surface in a well-lit area with no obstructions around it. Second, navigate to Settings, then Service, then Calibration, and select Cameras on your touchscreen. Third, follow the on-screen prompts to start the calibration process. The system will instruct you to drive under 45 miles per hour, which is 72 kilometers per hour. During the calibration drive, maintain a speed below 45 miles per hour, which is 72 kilometers per hour. Choose a safe, open area with good lighting and no obstacles to ensure accurate camera data collection. Drive in a loop or figure-8 pattern to allow the cameras to capture data from multiple angles and perspectives. This helps the system recalibrate the surround view cameras properly. The calibration process typically takes between 10 and 20 minutes, depending on conditions. Monitor the progress on your vehicle's touchscreen to see when it's complete. During calibration, avoid sudden stops, sharp turns, or lane changes, as these can interrupt the data collection and may require restarting the process. Once the calibration process is complete, reboot your Tesla Model 3. On your touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, then Power Off. Wait for at least 2 minutes before pressing the brake pedal to restart the car. After the reboot, run diagnostics from the service menu to confirm successful calibration. If errors persist, repeat the calibration process. If recalibration attempts fail repeatedly, or you notice signs of physical damage to your Tesla's cameras or mounts, it's time to schedule a professional service appointment. Hardware issues require expert repair to maintain safety. Start by inspecting your cameras for visible damage. Compare your vehicle's setup with the standard configuration, showing 8 surround cameras and various sensors. Common hardware problems include loose camera mounts that can shift during driving, cracked lenses that distort vision, wiring damage from impacts, or any physical damage from accidents, even minor ones. Ignoring these hardware issues is dangerous because they can compromise your autopilot and full self-driving safety features, potentially leading to system failures during operation. Tesla's service network uses AI-assisted diagnostics to quickly identify hardware problems. Their certified technicians can perform precise repairs, with service available in over 90 countries for fast resolution. Preventative maintenance is key to keeping your Tesla's cameras aligned and functioning properly. Regular care can prevent the need for recalibration entirely. One of the most important steps is to avoid harsh impacts to your vehicle, particularly the front and rear bumpers, where the cameras are mounted. Even minor collisions can cause misalignment that triggers calibration errors. If you're planning to modify your vehicle's suspension, it's crucial to have the work done by a qualified technician who understands how changes can affect camera alignment. Improper modifications can lead to persistent calibration issues. Finally, stay on top of software updates. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air patches that improve calibration algorithms and can resolve potential issues before they become problems. Tesla is moving towards autonomous calibration, where the car can self-correct minor misalignments without driver intervention. This advancement allows the vehicle to detect and fix issues automatically through software, reducing the need for manual processes. Future software updates aim to further reduce reliance on manual recalibration. By 2028, Tesla plans to integrate improved radar redundancy, potentially eliminating calibration needs altogether through neural network advancements. However, third-party modifications might still affect these systems, requiring attention from owners.